Alright, hello everybody. Today we're opening up this Nintendo Switch Lite. This is the Dialga Palkia edition. Essentially, this is the special commemorative edition that was for the Diamond and Pearl remakes. Brilliant Diamond and Shining Pearl, coming out on the 19th of November, I believe. 19th of November. That's all sides of the box there. Let's get right into it here. Open this guy up here from the sides. There we go. Awesome. And let's pull this out here. I think we go this way. I got this guy because I'm a huge Pokemon fan, as you guys could potentially know. And I'm actually really excited about this. So let's take a look. So there's the Switch Lite itself. Looks pretty nice, pretty nice. And then there's the Dialga Palkia. How about I take it out of this plastic here? There it is with the Dialga Palkia. It's actually a really shiny, like gunmetal color, kind of what they were talking about there. That looks really neat. Actually, I like that. And then obviously the front part itself looks pretty cool, and all the other stuff is pretty similar and standard there. And then on the bottom, we just got the USB-C port. I have the regular Switch. I actually don't have it here right now, but I have the regular Nintendo Switch, and I had the first edition that came out in 2017, I believe. I've been noticing the battery life has been pretty bad, and the performance overall isn't too great. I'm still going to use it for like having it plugged in and docked, since you can't do that with this guy. But I'm excited to use this one handheld. That should be pretty fun. It comes with the standard Nintendo Switch charger here with the USB Type-C cord right there. And then, yeah, that's pretty much all you get in the box, apart from the manual and instruction guide and all that sort of stuff. But that's kind of how that goes. Let's turn it on and see how it is first time. There we go. Nintendo Switch. Nice. You guys probably just heard that. Well, let's see. And there we go. We're in the setup menu, ready to get started. So that's basically the Nintendo Switch Palkia Dialga Palkia edition. Yeah, I'm really excited to start using it and gaming on it. Awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to leave a comment if you'd like. Like and subscribe to the video, all that sort of stuff if you'd like to see more content. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Peace. Take care.